Welcome to our quick guide on turning on new follower notifications for Instagram. If you've been wondering how to stay instantly updated when someone follows you, you're in the right place. This step-by-step walkthrough will keep things simple and straightforward. First, head to your phone settings. You'll want to find the section that controls all of your apps and how they interact with your device. It's usually labeled Apps, Applications, or App Management, depending on your phone model. Next, locate Instagram in the list of installed apps. If you don't see it right away, you might need to browse to the All Apps tab or use the search feature at the top. Once you spot Instagram, tap on it to open the app's settings. From there, look for notifications. This is the control center for how Instagram communicates with you beyond the app's own alerts. Tap notifications to enter the notification preferences. Inside the notification settings, you'll see a collection of categories or options that Instagram can send you. Scroll to find notification categories. This is where you can customize different kinds of alerts separately rather than applying a blanket on to your off switch. Inside notification categories, you'll find an option labeled New Followers. Tap it to reveal the toggle. Turn this switch on so you receive a notification whenever someone follows you. If you want to fine-tune further, you can adjust the sound, vibration, or banner style for this category to suit your needs. With new followers enabled, you'll get timely notices right on your device whenever a new person chooses to follow you. This makes it easier to engage with newcomers, respond to messages, or simply acknowledge your growing community as it happens. If you're ever unsure whether the setting is active, you can test it by asking a friend to follow you or by temporarily logging out and back in to see if a notification appears. It's a quick check that confirms everything is running smoothly. That's all there is to it. 3 easy taps to keep you in the loop about new followers. Armed with these alerts, you'll never miss a fresh connection or a moment to welcome someone new into your Instagram world.